Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer USDT from Binance to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between exchanges, especially with the evolving landscape of blockchain tech. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need verified accounts on both Binance and Kraken, some USDT in your Binance wallet, and a good understanding of the network you'll use for the transfer, like Tron or ERC20, as these can affect fees and speed. Always double-check your Kraken wallet address to prevent any costly mistakes. Okay, step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is stored. Next, click on Withdraw and search for USDT in the asset list. This is where you choose the right network. Go with Tron for faster, cheaper transfers if possible, but confirm it's supported on Kraken. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of the minimum withdrawal limits and any network fees. These can vary, so it's smart to calculate them upfront to avoid surprises. Then, paste your Kraken USDT deposit address. You can find this by logging into Kraken, going to the Funding tab, and selecting USDT as the asset. Make sure the networks match. Mismatched networks could mean lost funds. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Binance will process the withdrawal, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Finally, after the transfer, log back into Kraken and check your Funding or Wallet section to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and keep an eye on your transaction history. There you have it, folks. Transferring USDT between exchanges is a breeze once you know the ropes. Remember, always prioritize security and stay updated with any 2025 regulations or exchange updates. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.